Diet. Wow, that's food for the kidney stone. Excuse me, Maxi. Can I sit down here? Good morning, everyone. So, I'm back for another review. Ayan, nireview ko yung yung Nishido, whatever. Nasanay na akong Nishido high definition lipstick in the shade Rock Blossom. And look at the packaging, guys. Ito siya. So, I woke up early just to review this. Kasi, gusto ko makita yung parang pang 8 hours. Kasi minimum ko pag nagre-review ako ng lipsticks, should be 8 hours. So, ayun, guys. After this, para masulit ko naman yung lipstick ko, mag-film pa ako ng another video, I guess. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung i-film ko dapat. I'm really loving the guys, the shade ng lipstick na to. And nakuha ko lang to ng 99 or 88, 99 ata. Hey guys, so it's already 4 I think or 5 in the afternoon PM, and i-update ko na tong lipstick ko. Siguro last update ko na. Ang ganda pa rin niya, guys. Sobrang pa rin, pigmented pa rin niya. I'm not really expecting a lot from this lipstick kasi 99 pesos lang siya, di ba? You get what you pay for, sabi nga. But yeah, alam nyo guys, ang hirap mag-review ng lipstick or mag-review ng product na iti-test mo yung longevity. Kasi, lalo na kung nag-film ka pa ng ibang videos, you need to change clothes every now and then. Parang ngayon, kaka-change ko lang ulit. And ang init nito, wrong choice. Alam niyo to guys, yung makakapal na tela, yung parang jersey something, ganon. Ang init, grabe. And, yun, I need to change na para sa last update ko na. And of course, to get to know, to tell you guys my thoughts about this lipstick. Good morning, everyone! Today is January 10. Of course, late to ma-upload. So, yeah. I'm currently editing our video of the Boozled challenge that we did yesterday. Was that yesterday? Yeah, parang yesterday ata or the other day. And upload ko siya next week. So, if it's already up, I will put the link down below. And now we're going to make breakfast with Bebekels. This is the ram. I'm open. You open. Ayan, yan yung ram vanilla pancake. Yan. Ayoko yan eh. Yan yung masarap naman siya pero you need to add egg. Mas gusto ko yung isang binibili namin, yung may maple syrup pa siya. May egg tayo. May maple syrup siya, tapos water lang ilalagay mo. Wala tayong egg, ate. Bili muna si tita.
Alam mo, pupunit na.
Hindi siya mapupun. Okay lang yan, lulutuin naman natin. Say bye to them.
Bye.
Good morning.
Morning.
Nagluluto ng aking sister. Bukas na lang kami pancake. Walang egg. Tinatamad na akong bumili sa tindahan. Kasi lalabas pa ako. Mag-edit muna ako and then later on, i-upload ko siya para mas sked na siya. Ayun pala guys, sabihin ko na nga kung ano yung exam ko. Mag-IELTS kasi ako. Prerequisite kasi siya sa isang exam pa na iti-take ko. So hopefully, by the time that you are watching this, tapos na siguro ang exam ko kasi next week na yung exam ko. Downside ko, writing test. Medyo mahirap siya. Writing task 1 is just easier because mo lang siya parang hindi analyze. Parang hindi rin interpret. How do you call that one? Parang i-represent mo lang yung mga statistic data na nandun sa sa isang picture, and then sa writing task 2 you need to give your stand if you agree or disagree, or to what extent do you agree or disagree, ganon. Yun yung pinaka-ayaw ko sa lahat, yung to what extent do you agree. Kasi gusto ko agree lang. Kain na daw tayo. That's it. Anong food natin, bebe?
Sa baseball.
Oh, food for the kidney! We have, what is that? Canton, egg, and skinless longganisa. High purine diet, high salt diet. Wow, that's food for the kidney stone. Excuse me, Maxi. Can I sit down here? Excuse me. Dogs. sabi ng doktor ko, wag daw sa high purine.
Sabi ni Tita
Low purine daw dapat.
daw.
Yun, high purine naman ang food ngayon. So, yeah. Eat.
Ang sarap, ang sarap, ang sarap.
Ang sarap. Ang sarap daw ng binbusal. Kausapin nyo nga tong batang to. Wait lang.
Yung binbusin, sabi ni Tita at ubus na.
Tapos,
Ano ang masarap?
Kita mang hen.
Itlog ka ng
kasi matutumba.
Itlog ni Joy ang
Soft
masarap.
ko, ano?
And yabang food.
Mang bansan.
Anong ginawa nyo ni Tito Mac? Kumain ng...
Boozled, tas natop ako.
Nagtopra mo. Nagdura daw niya. Dito ako. Dito ka tingin mo.
Nalagyan and rinse baso.
Uminom ka ng tubig sa baso.
Opo, kasi yung hanghang ito, nalagyan ni Mamang sili.
Hindi ko nilagyan.
Kanton. O, sige, magbabay ka na sa kanila. Kain po tayo.
Bye-bye!
Let's
Kain
eat
po
from...
tayo!